To install an iOS launcher on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, we can go to the Play Store. Over here we can use the search option at the bottom of the screen, and then we can use the search field at the top. And you can just type something like iOS launcher, or iPhone theme, or something similar. You should be able to find many example apps that we can use and download. In my case, I'm going to use this one over here. I'm going to install it, and I'm going to show you how to set it up, which should be pretty straightforward. So let's open it. Of course, you might see some ads in the meantime, but not necessarily. You don't have to let the app use the location, we can don't allow. Over here for the rest of the permissions, I'm going to actually allow. One thing that we can also do is we can make this launcher to be the default one, so whenever you go to the home screen, you're going to actually open this launcher. So we can go over here, let's close the ad and press OK over here. Now we can switch from the One UI launcher to the iOS launcher. We see some information about blur effect, which appears on every smartphone that I know, so there's nothing really that we can do about it, so we can just press OK. And if we go to the to the home screen, as you can see, now we have the iOS launcher. And let's also see the app library. There we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.